This dog may never even notice the small tattoo in his ear when he wakes up, but the owner's driver's license number printed there may just save the dog's life someday. For years, horse owners have known that tattoos are a surefire way of identifying the animals should they ever get loose. But only recently, dog and even cat owners have discovered the value of tattoos as well.
We've tattooed dogs' noses that have been into fights and maybe lost some of the black pigmentation. We'll go in and do some reconstruction on the animal for whatever reasons the owner wants. But mainly for identification purposes. Good dogs are stolen quite often, especially here in Orange County.
And that's the primary reason owners have their dogs and cats tattooed. The flowers and champagne glasses are just part of the package. An animal shelter inspects incoming dogs and cats carefully for disease, and that's often how the tattoo is discovered. It provides an instant, permanent source of ID. These dogs were under anesthesia because they were having other procedures performed as well. But it isn't absolutely necessary to put the animal under just for tattoo work. In fact, the artists insist it isn't even painful.
Probably not as much as it does on humans. They have a different sensory nerve system. Generally, we don't have the advantage of anesthetic in the studio, so when we do dogs in the studio, it's just we get them used to the noise. I have a real good bedside manner. We kind of get them all calmed down. It doesn't seem to bother them at all. They know something's being done to them, but you never get any yelping or crying or anything like that. It's that they wiggle around a lot is the hardest part.
And the cost? About $50 for an ear or an underbelly, which are just about the only places you can tattoo a dog. If you are thinking of having your dog or cat tattooed, here are a couple of suggestions. First of all, use your driver's license number and not your phone number. If you move, your driver's license number will probably stay the same. And always use the tattoo in conjunction with, not instead of, these good old-fashioned dog tags. In Newport Beach for the Pet Project, I'm Mark Bernheimer.